look like. What it look like. Yo, I done seen some of this stuff on YouTube. But them videos, stuff looking like that, nah, you need it to look like this. I got you. Right now, let's do it. Drop that butter with them green onions in the pan. A tablespoon of flour. Stir that around. Add some fresh garlic. Stir that around. 2 cups of water. Stir that around. And make sure you scrape off the sides and all of that too. And this is a package of Knox French onion chicken broth. Or Nerd, whatever that is. Stir that around. You like this video? Subscribe to your boy. Subscribe. Keep it crunchy. A teaspoon of cornstarch. Some black pepper. Stir that black pepper. Some parsley. Stir it up. That's what it should look like right there. It's looking right. Now on to the next step. Get these noodles. And I did boil these off camera, but everybody knows how to boil noodles, so go ahead and add some olive oil. Of course, to your liking, but don't add too much. Some cracked pepper, because you know we got to season up these noodles. We got to. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. Italian seasoning. Look at that. You better season up these noodles. Yo, get your whip game on right here. Whip these up real good. Some Parmesan cheese. I don't play. Look at that. Some pink Himalayan salt. And whip it good. And the reason why is because you want to make sure that every ingredient is mixed in. That Bumblebee Prime solid white albacore tuna. That gold top. That's the prime. You know this dish gonna be good when you're using the prime. Let's go ahead and get these cans open. These gold tops. Gold tops. Yeah, it don't look too appealing. But we gonna get this drained out. Now that we got them all drained out, let's go ahead and add them to the pasta. The seasoned noodles. Notice that keyword, seasoned noodles. You like this video? Subscribe to your boy. Let's go ahead and give this a mix. As you're mixing it up, the tuna fish will break up. As you can see. Drop them peas in there. Can of freshly washed peas. Definitely will add some salt because the peas don't have any flavor. And we're gonna mix that around. And again, these peas are washed and they're uncooked. Some sour cream. Some hot sauce. Add to your liking, of course. Gotta have that. And I had some provolone cheese. So I just went ahead and put that in there. I added a pinch of sugar. I added some cheddar cheese, some Asiago cheese, some mozzarella cheese, 2 types of sharp cheddar cheese. Look at that. Yeah, we almost there. We almost there. Look at that. That's what you want it to look like. You're gonna add a little bit more sour cream, some blue cheese, super chunky blue cheese, and we're gonna give this a mix. Stir that up real good. And we're gonna go get our gravy. This is gravy. Look at that. Yeah. You know it's gonna be good now. We up. You see that? Stir that around real good. You like this video? Subscribe to your boy. Subscribe. Look at that. That's what you want. You know it's gonna come out right. Let's go ahead and get the pan ready. Start putting it in the baking pan. Excuse me, casserole pan dish. Hey yo, ain't nothing perfect. You might get some on the side. It's all good. Let's throw some mozzarella cheese on here. And these are the mozzarella pearls. And I had some Asiago cheese left over too, so I definitely used what I had. Key point, use what you have. Get it all up in there. Notice how I'm not putting extra cheese on the top. I just put the little bit of Asiago. Went ahead and put some pepperonis on there. I thought it would give a good flavor. It is what I had.
Yada 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 yada. Yada yada.
375, 45 minutes. Let's go. There's one thing about the noodles. I did cook the noodles for only about 6 minutes, 7 minutes, because they are gonna finish cooking in the oven. You don't want them too mushy. But look at that. That's what you got right now. Fuego. Let's go ahead and plate this up. Look at that. Notice I didn't add no cheese on top, but look how it came out. It's extra cheesy. Look at that. That's what you want to see when you scoop out. You heard? That's what you want to see. That cheesy tuna casserole. This dish came out right. If you're a pasta lover like me and you want to learn how to make chicken Alfredo, check the link in the description. Go on. Keep it crunchy.